You, you will never be rich if you don't want to be different. And today, let me show you how different I am. Today, I'm going to buy USDT low on Binance, and I'm going to sell that same USDT high on Binance.com, guys. Just look at me. So you can see now on my Binance, I already bought the USDT. I have a value of 2000 in total, and I'm going to sell the same USDT on Binance.com. This is my account. You can see the total trades I've done before and my total portfolio balance. Okay, so my total portfolio balance on Binance is 2000. So I'm going to deposit 1000 on here, my Binance.com. You can see the URL is mybinance.com, guys. Mybinance.com, here it is. So I'm going to go direct to click on deposit and then USDT, and then guys I'm going to put amount 1000. All right, and then continue, and I'll copy the address, then I'll go back to my Binance and I'll click send, withdraw crypto USDT. I will long press that address here. There's the withdrawal address, just very fast, and then I'll put amount 1002 because of fees. So then I'll click withdraw, guys. Okay, so guys, I'll now confirm my passkey. On this stage I'm going to hide, and guys, remember this video is for educational purpose only. Do not show your credentials to anyone or your passkeys to anyone. So guys, there we are now. That's my withdrawal is now processing. So the next step, guys, I don't close this. I will take the screenshot of that withdrawal, and then I'll go ahead and then I'll click on here where you are to upload the screenshot, upload it here, and then guys I'll click on submit. Okay, so that's how actually I made a deposit to my Binance.com so that I can sell them high and make profit. Just wait a moment for it to be approved. And so guys, as you can see, my deposit of 1000 has already been approved to my account. So now the next step, let me relog in account. You can see now I have a total of 1077. That's my total portfolio. So now guys, the next step now, it's how we make the profit. Okay, so the next step, I'll go to P2P trading, guys, and then I'll click on sell. I'm going to sell the USDT that I just deposited on the exchange, and then I'll choose crypto, choose USDT amount. I'll put 1000, and then guys I will find a vendor with at least 1.4. okay, you can see this 1.35, 1.31, 1.36, 1.40. this one is called the Lucia Conti, and then I'll sell to Lucia. First I need to click to Lucia and see the reviews. As you can see, Lucia Conti has done successful trades of 98.9%, and he has sold at least 275. You can see all performance and the reviews of Lucia Conti. You can see they are up to date and everything, so that you make sure you are not getting scammed, guys. Okay, so the next step, I will now go back to marketplace, and then I will go to marketplace, and then I will put now 1000 again, and USDT here. Okay, let me see whether I can still find Lucia Conti. Or okay, and then I will search Lucia Conti here. I can search Lucia and see whether she'll come again. Lucia Conti has reduced the price to 1.32. no problem. I'll click on sell to Lucia Conti. I'll put 1000 USDT. You can see the return will be 1292, and then continue sell. On the payment method, guys, you need to choose payment USDT TRC20, and then so guys, I was late to sell to Lucia Conti. I will now again go back and search a new vendor, because Lucia Conti has already reset their prices. So I'll now find another vendor here. I will lose. Okay, there's Lucia Conti also. Yes, 1.39. Also sell to Lucia Conti 1000. Continue and payment method, guys. I'll choose USDT, and this is what you need to see, guys. Payment destination, Binance Spot Wallet, and you can see payment address is now locked. Once you see the payment address locked, just do the required trades and then unlock. So I will choose to be paid here. Let me choose. Okay, so now the trading will be awarded to my Binance Spot wallet automatically. Okay, and then I will after this withdraw to my address. Let's wait and see. Let's give it time, guys. I will text Lucia Conti to release the trade. Hi, release the trade. So I'm waiting for Lucia Conti, guys, to release the trade, and then I will make the withdrawal to my wallet. Okay, see, Lucia has replied, "A release soon, funds go straight to your spot wallet." Thank you. So guys, let's wait for Lucia Conti to release the trade, and then I will get back to you. Remember, guys, you must be very, very different to be rich, and this is the method. Guys, I'm still waiting for Lucia Conti to pay me. Just don't worry. So guys, as you can see, the trade has been paid by Lucia Conti. So guys, before I release the trade, what I'm going to do, I'm going back to dashboard. You can see now my total portfolio is 1,440. So what the next step, guys, I'm going to do is to withdraw to my wallet. I click on withdraw. You can see my withdrawal is available. So what I'll do here, I will go to my Binance. This is my Binance. So I'll click on add funds, guys, and then I'll click on deposit crypto, USDT, and then TRX. Copy the address, guys, and then I'll go on the Binance exchange, and then I'll click on USDT network TRC20, and the withdrawal amount I'll put because we deposited 1,000, let me put 1,300, guys, and then I'll put my withdrawal address here, and then I'll review the withdrawal. You can see it saying not enough. So I will choose the cryptocurrencies, Tether USDT, and the wallet will be spot wallet. Okay, and I'll put 1,300, and then I'll review the withdrawal, and then I'll confirm, and now I'll track my withdrawal. You can see now the withdrawal is processing, guys. Okay, so I'm waiting for the withdrawal to arrive on my Binance account, and I will show you the update. And so guys, you can see my withdrawal has been approved automatically. So what I will do now, guys, I'm going on my Binance, and I will check whether the withdrawal has arrived. So when I refresh like that, you can see the withdrawal has arrived to my wallet successfully, and my balance has updated, guys. Remember, before I had 2,000 here, and I have now 2,300, and I still have another balance to trade with on my account, on my Binance account, 140. And so guys, that's how we buy low and sell high on crypto. Thank you so much. Like this video, share to others, and thank you for watching.